haven't been vlogging a lot, guys, but I need to get back into it. I just cooked some spaghetti noodles, so those are going. And right now, I'm just mincing some garlic and onions so I can cook the vegetarian meat. And then we're gonna put the sauce in here so we can make our vegetarian spaghetti. Let's get this going. Let's get the sauce in here. Get this little stir. The trick is to add a little bit of sugar in the sauce my mom taught me to help it not be so acidic. And we're gonna give this a little stir. Not really brown too much, but you know, just because, why not? Now I'm gonna add the vegetarian meat up in here, so we are gonna have our spaghetti. So I'm just gonna stir this around a little bit, incorporate everything together. And let's cook this baby up. I lost my tripod, guys, so I can't film me doing all of this, but I'm gonna put the noodles and the meat all into the sauce, and ta-da, we got spaghetti. Can't wait to eat it. The garlic bread too, can't wait to make this. It's gonna be so good. So cool, guys, just got all threes, got the Ascended Master number, just getting ready to go out and get some goods. Love you, Ascended Master. So the 333, guys, does mean it's an angel number, but it doesn't mean just angels are with you. It's like the archangels, the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, saints, sages, like the gods and goddesses. So the Ascended Masters are like boom, boom, boom. Hi guys, getting some groceries. Should have totally vlogged yesterday, but didn't feel like it, so gonna put these in a little baggie. Look at all these fresh fruit platters, guys. They look so yummy. Low-key want to get one. I think I want to get this one, but I don't know if I want green cantaloupe or honeydew, so I don't know what I want.
This one.
I want that one?
Yeah.
Oh. I guess I'm deciding on this one. Wasn't planning on getting this, guys, but I guess I'm gonna get this one. Thought I was gonna get a cheesecake. Look at the flowers, guys. It looks so pretty. This looks so yummy, guys. I was just walking by and saw that. Yum. Hi guys, so we ended up getting that fruit platter, and I really want to try a piece of this fruit. I don't know what I want to eat first. Should we try some pineapple? Oh my god. I haven't had pineapple and it feels like a year. You know when it's like winter time and you don't eat fruit? So good. Thanks, Mason. Mason was vlogging me. So good. So yummy. The snow is bye-bye, the rain is bye-bye, the view is beautiful, and you guys can hear the creek down there like with me. It's so pretty. Oh yeah, we're gonna be grubbing on this fruit. I should seriously vlog more, guys, and I don't, but this pho is so good. My mom just made some vegetarian pho, so fake chicken, all the good stuff. It's so yummy. I want to vlog my food more to share it with you guys. Yummy vegetarian food. I'm outside of Best Buy right now, guys, and I'm gonna get my new phone. I'm so excited. I don't know which one I want to get. Either S20, S20 Plus, or maybe the Note 10 Plus. I don't know, but I'm super excited to finally get my new phone. And I'm debating. I really like the S20 Plus. Like, it looks really cool and everything, but I don't know. Should I get this one? I only like the Galaxy Note 10 because of the camera. Like, I like how it looks more like clean. It's not as bulky as the other one, so I'm like debating because you get a stylus. I'll save $100, and it's just cool because you get the stylus. It's a cool vibe, but I don't know. I just need to test the video quality more and see which one I like better, because it's all about me getting my social media content and stuff. So this one's the Plus, guys, and there's the Ultra right here, but I don't want that one because there's been like too many problems with that I've seen on reviews. And the little S20, so cute. Looks so clean. Whoa. I'm happy I made this decision. Heck yeah. This is so cool. Got the new phone, guys. I'm so happy. It's like awesome. This is the cover for it. The little case that it comes in. Oh, I'm so happy I got it. It's so kick butt. Alrighty guys, first vlog clip on the new phone. Have no idea what resolution this is because I need to adjust, but look at my new whip. We're just getting some detailing done, and yeah, gonna get like a chrome or a blue wrap to match my phone, you know? Living for this. Are you guys even believing me right now? I'm just joking, but how cool is this? Goals, right? Have a car that'll drive itself, and you can just chill in the car. But oh my god, guys, I'm so happy to finally have this S20 phone. The quality's amazing on whatever mode it's on without me adjusting anything. I am living for this. It's so HD, futuristic. I'm just loving it. It's fix my necklace. Just loving life right now, guys. I got the cloud blue Galaxy S20 Plus, so I'm so happy. Yay! I haven't seen Clovers in so long, guys. Happy early St. Patrick's Day. Let's see how good this camera is, guys. I'm gonna blow the dandelion. It's so hard to blow it and record at the same time, but this video quality is so good. So beautiful out today, guys. So magical. I just recreated this Instagram picture I saw, guys, with this guy wearing some Christian Louis Vuitton. So just got this Insta shot. I'm loving it. And cool, because I could just hit the selfie camera recording front ways, then start recording this way. So I'm just loving life right now, guys. This camera is so amazing. The quality is so beautiful, and just pulled over in a little spot so my sister can skateboard. You want to say hi, Mason?
Hi.
It's just so cool. I'm loving the quality on this thing. So lots of vlogs come in. Mason's got a dandelion. Should we make a wish? Or do you want to make a wish?
Please.
Okay, let's make a wish together. While it goes in my mouth. So this is the last day I'm going to be working until the virus thing gets settled, guys. And I feel so blessed. Thank you, God and the Divine, for letting me live in such a beautiful place. It's snow, guys. It's like a Hallmark movie, a winter wonderland. It is so freaking beautiful. So pretty. Hi guys, sup? Day 2, and look what my sister did for Maleficent. She was helping me brush her hair, and oh my god, this is the most I've ever seen, guys. This is crazy. Also, day 1 of guys, I gave myself a self-pamper day yesterday, did my nails, exfoliated my skin with my sugar scrub, and just was living my best life. Now, today, I just worked my butt off, guys, and look what I made. Mashed potatoes and semi-homemade food, and we got some gravy. So, day 3, grub. Let's see. Let's chow down on this stuff. So I was filming some TikToks, guys, and I'm doing the hydro dip nails. So let's go ahead and give you guys a little YouTube clip from my vlog. So we got the nail all taped up, and time to dip this baby in. Hi, Maleficent. Ooh, my cat wants to say hi to you guys. Hi. Ooh, this is how it's looking, guys. We got a mess going on in the bathroom, but these will turn out awesome. This was my first one when I tried to film. Obviously didn't turn out good. And second time is a charm, guys. This one looks super cool. Hi, Meow Meow. How you doing, Maleficent? You're so cute. Don't eat the tape. This is kind of crazy, guys. I just walked down to the creek and I see these two little ducks. Can you guys see them? I usually see them like every year down my road when I used to walk to the bus stop for school, and sometimes now that I go to work, I would see them. It's so funny how I got to see them. It's always a brown one and then one with that green head down in my little street. They're so cute. So I haven't been feeling good, guys, and I've been inside a lot and things with the whole like pandemic going on, so I just came outside to do a little bit of a nature walk, and down here by the water, just gonna get some pictures of my books and stuff. So I'm super excited to get some content, and yeah. So right now, guys, I'm just filming a couple Instagram video clips. I'm cleansing my Shiva Lingam stone, guys. So if you have a natural stream of water, you can call upon the element of water to go ahead and cleanse your crystals. And this is such like a beautiful way to cleanse your guys' crystals of all those lower vibrations with the natural elements of Gaia herself. So beautiful, guys. With this bridge area I love to go down, it's just all messed up. So poor bridge area, but over here is pretty, so gotta enjoy the little cute part still while I can. So these are how my nails turned out, guys. I did a little bit of that marble detailing. Sorry my phone's a little funky in the focusing. I hope Samsung has a software update for the new Samsung phones, but did a little bit of nail art. Gotta look nice, you know. Gotta have fun. And yeah, just chilling, taking some pictures of some nature right now and doing my thing. Everyone's been raving about these drinks, guys, and this new TikTok I follow, he does so many sponsorships with this brand, so gonna try this out today. I tried the unicorn one, guys, and it was alright. It wasn't really the best, so hopefully this one's super good. Everyone's been going crazy over this stuff. So I have to vlog me trying this out later, guys, but right now I'm just getting some pictures, getting some content, and all that good stuff. With the tissue box behind me. Really don't feel good, guys, but got some content today because it's gonna get like snow and rainy again, so I just wanted to spend a little bit of time in the nature, get a couple more pictures and videos for you guys, and let's see how this Star Blast tastes. It's actually good, guys. It's good, but energy drinks just definitely aren't my thing. It tastes way better than that unicorn thing. But I don't know, soda's just my jam, but I need some energy, right? Bang, bang. My lips have this problem, guys. I hope I'll be able to go to the doctor soon to help me out. I think I have like lip dermatitis, and it's just extremely chapped lips. And on camera, you guys can't really tell, but in real life, they're like super red. Like, ugh. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead, shower, and just relax and rest because I got just mucus coming out of me and I definitely need to take a little break. Wish I was able to vlog more consistently and explain more things, but you know, guys, when you don't feel good, you just don't feel good and it doesn't happen. But these are my new nails that I did, and yeah.